Hello my beauties, my name is Shraddha and welcome back to Bare Faced Beauty. I started this channel because makeup never looked good on me and I know how frustrating that can feel. Now I focus on soft, easy, beginner friendly tutorials that make makeup simple, not stressful. If you ever felt overwhelmed by glam, you are in the right place. Today we are going for soft glam with a twist. Clean skin, a gentle glow and bold dramatic eyes to pull it all together. I've already done my skincare followed by a dewy primer. Now I'm going with the foundation. Here I'm using Pat McGrath Skin Sublime Foundation. It's very lightweight and easily blendable. The best part about this foundation is you don't need any makeup brush. You can use your fingers to blend the foundation seamlessly into your skin. Moving on to concealer. Use a creamy concealer for that natural skin-like finish. Focus on the inner corners and the outer edges for the lifted look. Blend it with your fingers and remember guys, less is more in case of concealer. You don't want to go overboard and look all cakey. You can ignore this step, but I wanted to wear contact lenses for this look. Now I'm going to set my concealer with a Huda Beauty loose powder. You can use any loose powder at this point. For brows, softly fill in the sparse areas to keep them looking natural. Use a fine brow pencil to mimic hair-like strokes, just enough to frame the face without doing too much. For eyes, I'm using blush because I don't have a pink eyeshadow. Diffuse the pink eyeshadow all over your eyelid, keeping it very natural. And with a fluffy brush, take any brown eyeshadow and just define the crease. If you feel overwhelmed, just use very less product with very minimal pressure. Now with a fluffy flat brush, take a pink shimmer and just pack it in the inner corners of your eye. For making the eyes dramatic, I'm going to go with a graphic eyeliner and I'm sorry I forgot to record that part. Tightline your upper eyelid. Use the same crease shade to softly define the lower lash line. This step really balances the eye without making it look heavy. Give your lashes a gentle curl and finish with a generous coat of mascara. Now adding a little contour to bring back natural shape and dimension of the face. A light contour under the cheekbones and around the forehead for a subtle definition. Less product, more blending. That's the secret to a natural contour. Adding a tiny bit of concealer to highlight the bridge of the nose. Using the same blush, placing it slightly higher on the cheeks to give a lifted effect. Not too bold, not too bare, keeping the lips perfect by filling it with lip gloss. Just a touch of highlighter on the high points of the face for that natural glow. And that's the final look. Soft, simple and easy to recreate. I hope this helped you feel a little bit more confident with your makeup routine. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. If you enjoyed this look, feel free to like and subscribe to my channel. It really supports my little corner of the internet. Till then, bye bye.